First of all, we need to download an editor for C programming or C++. We'll just open Google Chrome and I will just type here code blocks, but you can use any of editors, either that is code blocks, C++, Turbo, but I suggest you to use code blocks. Just click on the first link and at the left side click on downloads and just click here and download the binary release, and just come down or select a package first and then just come down and click on the very first link. If you have 64-bit, if you have 22-bit system, then click on the 6th link and just I will download it from sourceforce.net. We'll just click on it and now let it be open. So here our download is going to be start in 5 seconds. You can see it's establishing some connections and still it's doing some processing. And now we have almost done, and here is the download button. Just click on the download, but I will not download it because I have already downloaded it. So now I'll just open my download folder, and here you can see code blocks. Yes, it will something look like this. Just double click on it and it will start to install. It will take some time. Just click on yes. Click on next, click on agree, click on next, select the destination folder where you want to install code blocks, and if you want to install, then install, but I will not because I have already installed it. And now I will just open it and I will just type code blocks. Here I will just press enter and it will open. We have some warnings. So here our code blocks is running now. Just ignore the warnings that you get. Now let it be open first. It's a heavy application, so it will take time. And here we have code blocks. So I will just create a new project and we will create application in console application, not in any other, for C++ and C programming. Just click on console application and let's go. I will prefer C because we are doing C programming, and for the folder I will name it just first, FIRST, first folder, and just press next. And GCC compiler, it is already set, so I will just press finish. And here we will just click on the plus button in sources and click on main.c. You can see it's already written hello world, but it's not something like this. We'll start it now typing, so let's type it here. I'll put hashtag include, it automatically gives suggestions, so it will be better for us to code in this editor. I'll put it here studio.h, just press enter, you will get this print. And if you compile in Boldland compiler, then you need to include only.h to get the screen hold when you display the output. For that you use getCS function, but in code blocks you don't need to do getCS function. It will hold the screen automatically. So I just use studio.h, and now I will start our main function. So I will use void main, or here we have void main. Remember, while coding in code blocks or give C++, it will give, or if you open a braces, brackets or any commas, anything, it automatically gives the stop or the ending braces. So you don't need to type them, just press enter and you will get them. And here we have printf function. So we will type printf function. Here we have, and you will type double quotations. You will type hello world, /n breaks the line. Here let's understand about every parts. Here we have hashtag include studio.h. Hashtag include studio.h. What is studio.h? Studio.h is a header file or a library function. It's a library. Studio.h is a library, which here hashtag says that the compiler that you don't need to compile this line because studio.h is already a compiled program and it's a library. And now here we have main function. Main function is the function from which compiler starts. So we are using main function here. Without main, you cannot process any of the programs. You can just compile it, but you cannot run it. And we are using void as a data type for not returning value from the function, as main is a method, or you can say main is a function. So in main function we need to return value, but we are not returning it because we have used void keyword. Void keywords gives the default value 0, so we don't need to return over here. And now we have printf function. Printf function is a library function which is included in studio.h. Later on we will talk about scanf and other input functions, but till now let's talk about printf function. Printf function is output function. You can say it's simply, you can understand the word print, and F stands for format. It gives a special kind of format, a standard format for printing. And now we have the braces. Braces includes that this is the main body of the main function. And now you can see a green button, a front, and in front of that you can see build, and after build runner. So we'll just click build runner to save our time. So just click on build runner. Here we have some errors, but it's being ignored. It's just warning. So here we have our output, hello world. So this is our output, and this was our first C++ program, including the installation of